Hey cosplayers, are you wanting to work with EVA foam or wondering what in the world is the best glue to use with EVA foam? Well, you're about to find out in this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever we come out with these quick tip clip videos so that you can get those quick tips all the time. Alright, if you've had this problem, you're trying to use EVA foam and you're not sure what's the best glue to use, or you're trying to get into EVA foam and don't know what the best glue is, comment glue in the comments below, and that will help me to know if this is resonating with you guys and if I should create some more videos on gluing tips and techniques. Alright, so with that, let's go ahead and get started. So a lot of people I've heard say to use things like E6000 or some other types of glues that are similar to that. And while they may hold really, really well once they set up, it's really hard to get them to hold it long enough for it to dry and then have it stay, especially when you're gluing like an edge to edge with foam. So what I recommend, 3 different types of glues for different situations. Number 1, the go-to for most every situation is going to be contact cement. There's 2 different kinds out there. There's the water-based contact cement, which doesn't work that well, and then there's the original regular contact cement. Now, with contact cement, there's 2 different brands that people swear by, up and down by, and they're like avid one way or the other, between Barge or DAP Weld Wood contact cement. DAP Weld Wood's what I use because it's easy to get a hold of. I have a friend that's tried both and said he's seen no significant difference, but I know that'll probably get a lot of people riled up because there's some really big Barge fans. But you can do either one. Contact cement is the way to go. Now, it's going to be so secure and hold really, really well, and you're not going to have to worry about your seams coming apart, anything like that, especially edge to edge. The best part is that it sticks on contact. So you spread it onto both sides, let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you stick the glue pieces together and they're stuck. So you can put seams together really easily. So what? We can keep going. What was that?
Just the newer it is.
Oh yes, great point. So the newer your contact cement is, the better it works. I had some contact cement that I'd been using for about a year, and I was like, why isn't this sticking anymore? And it's because it just got old. So I like to get just these smaller can size rather than a big gallon because I didn't use it fast enough and it kind of went bad before I could use it all. So great point. Thank you. Another big go-to is hot glue, right? So hot glue is going to work really well, especially for attaching straps, different things to glue. I like to use this for different techniques in the foam to be able to fill gaps and different things on the backside, gluing straps on and different things. And when you do that, you want to just kind of score the surface of the foam with a razor blade first in kind of a crisscross pattern, and then apply your glue onto that, and then that way the hot glue kind of seeps in there and has something to really hold on to. Really helps hot glue to work well with EVA foam. When you're doing small little details, sometimes it can be hard to do contact cement. It gets a little messy, and or hot glue is just hard to get in those small spaces without having a bunch of bleed or goo coming out from the hot glue. And so that's where super glue comes in. Small little detail pieces. Super glue works great, gluing little pieces on like that. So that's the 3: contact cement, hot glue, super glue. Alright, now we're doing these quick tip clips videos all the time, and I want to hear from you guys. What's your greatest challenge when it comes to cosplaying in general? With EVA foam or whatever it might be in cosplay, what's your greatest challenge? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll hopefully put out a video answering your question and your greatest challenge, because there's other people that probably have the same challenges that they're dealing with. Alright, well, thank you guys so much. If you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Make sure to subscribe so you get more of these. And if you found this video helpful and you think you have a friend that's into cosplay and is wondering the same thing, go ahead and share that with them. Thank you guys so much. Cosplay on, my friends.